Hey y'all, my name is Ashley and today I'm going to be sharing my summer favorites. Now all of these favorites are going to be beauty related, some are going to be new and some are going to be what you could say are older products. So if that sounds interesting to you, you want to know what products I love this summer, then keep on watching. I want to go ahead and start off this video by saying that I did not spend my entire summer in a full face of full glam makeup every single day. In fact, I probably had a full face of glam like this maybe 3 or 4 times a month at most. So a lot of these products are going to be for that no makeup look, or they're going to be products that are for body care, hair care, skin care. You'll see as we go through. I want to start off with makeup. So the first product is a newer release. This is from Fenty Beauty, and this is a matchsticks in the shade Strawberry Pop. Now, I'm sure you've noticed the trend going on with the pH adjusting color adaptive makeup. This is one of those products. Now, unfortunately, I cannot find it anywhere online to purchase. Now, I did pick up mine in store at Sephora around my birthday. I do remember like picking this up as a little prezzy for myself. So that was way back in June, and it was $32. Now, I'm going to tell you why I like it, okay? And I'm sure there's other products that are similar to this one, but I'm going to tell you why I like this one specifically. I like how chunky it is. I like that it's for both your lips and cheeks. I personally prefer it for my lips. I constantly used it as a lip tint just to add a little bit of color when I wasn't wearing makeup onto my lips. Another thing I really enjoyed about this is the finish when it dried down and the way that it just melted into the skin. If you can see it on my hand, it's just like the way that it just blends into the skin is it just becomes part of the skin, which makes this product just so desirable. Like, this stayed on my desk. This would go in my purse. I reach for this all the time just for my lips. I obviously don't have it on today. I do have a liquid lipstick on. But if you are going for that no makeup look and you come across this product, this is something I really recommend that you try. Or if you have this at home and you haven't really used it, use it on your lips. You'll love it. I don't know how this happened, but the next product is another stick product, and it's actually from OleHenriksen. And I haven't really seen anyone talk about this, but this is one of those products that's like skincare, makeup infused combination, both type of product. But this is the Banana Bright plus Vitamin CC stick, and the shade that I happen to have is the shade Banana. But this is a brightening under eye stick that has a little bit of a luminosity to it. So if you didn't want to apply makeup on top of it, you could kind of use it as a no makeup look. You'll see, like I said, a lot of my products are going to be for that like no makeup look. I kind of blended it out with my skin, but it is a match for like my skin tone. I believe I hauled this product in a previous video, but the reason why I picked this up is because I have really dark under eyes and I'm constantly looking for a way to kind of cancel those out when I'm not wearing makeup, and this product did it for me. I actually used this in my Get Ready With Me that was posted yesterday, so if you want to see how this is applied, I'll go ahead and add a card and put the video down in the description below if you want to see how this product works. But that is why I picked up this product, and I absolutely love it because it works. But this does come in 3 different shades. And bonus, this works as a fantastic under eye primer, which I've used that for today. But if you have like, I wouldn't say my under eyes are like dry and crepey, but they're not moisturized, okay? And even with an eye cream, they still, by the time I get to doing my makeup, my under eyes need a little extra something, and this works as that primer for my concealer. All right, so this next product is a lip gloss, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of people talk about these, and I have more than just these 2, but these are the Clean Fresh Yummy Glosses from Covergirl. These are absolutely amazing for a drugstore gloss. Now, the 2 shades I have in front of me are You're Just Jelly, which is gonna be like this red one, and then I also have But First a Cosmo, which is more of a pinky red. So then these also have 18 different shades, and they're all kind of like that sheer tint type of gloss. Honestly, I have these two. They do add like a little bit of pink to my lips, but they both look the same on. I'm not gonna lie, I don't need 18 different ones, but it is nice to have a few different ones. This gloss is absolutely not sticky at all, but it gives your lips like that wet, juicy look, which is why I love it. But also, when you are going for that no makeup look, it does add that slight little bit of pinkness, at least in the shades that I picked up, to just kind of make yourself look a little bit more put together. And one of the things that I like to do is wear the Fenty matchstick, let that dry, and add one of these glosses on top, and it just kind of makes me feel like it looks like I tried to do my makeup or tried to appear put together, but all it was like less than 5 minutes of adding a little bit of makeup. I also find that these glosses do, I wouldn't say like they make your lips look fuller, but they give the appearance that your lips look fuller and plump, more plumped up, a little bit more juicy. Now I want to go ahead and talk about some cosmetics that aren't just that no makeup look. And these are the Ofra Sparklights toppers. I actually have 3 of them. Ofra has 4 that are available, so I'm only missing 1 if I wanted to play Pokemon and catch them all. Not gonna lie though, I'm really happy with the 3 that I have. So I have the shades Glisten, which is a white glitter with a clear translucent base. So, and that's what all of these are. They're toppers with a translucent base. So this one has like silver glitter. The second one I have is the shade Chill, which this is a purple one. So that is the shade Chill. And then the last one is actually the one I have on my inner corner, if you can see it. But this is the pink one in the shade Iced. So, and then that is the shade Ice. Not gonna lie, the shade Iced is what I got most of my use out of this summer. The pink sparkle kind of just like added a little bit of that summer flair to my eyes that I needed in every eye look that I did, just about. Now, the reason that I have like these 3 specifically, and in order to get any of these shades on Ofra's website, this is actually a trio that you can pick up for $35. If I'm correct, I believe this was a holiday launch. But if you wanted to buy one of these like individually, they are $18 each. I believe the only shade that you can buy on its own is the shade Iconic, which is a like champagne gold shade. So again, I liked it for these no makeup days where I added just a little like, put my finger in there, dot it on my eye just to add a little something there. But you can also build up the intensity and just pack it on to add that like really nice in your face sparkle, which is kind of what I've done in the inner corner of my look today. But I like these because they're just so versatile. You can do so much with them. You don't just have to use them on your eyes. You can use them on your cheeks. You can use them on your lips. I absolutely love these. All right, so the next product is probably the, no, it's not probably. This next product is the eyeshadow palette that I used the most this summer, which is why it is considered a favorite. And this is from Nomad Cosmetics, and it is the Monteverde Cloud Forest palette. It's what's on my eyes today. This palette just kind of screams like tropical, like I'm going on a vacation. I'm going to Costa Rica, which is where the Monteverde Cloud Forest is, I believe. Is it? Oh no, I'm pretty sure this is in Costa Rica. Either way, this palette is just perfect for the summer. I was able to do so many bright and bold, colorful looks when I pulled this palette out. Like I said, I didn't do full glam very often, but when I did, this eyeshadow palette is what I used. It does have 18 different shades, with 12 of them being mattes and then the last 6 being shimmers. So that was all the makeup, the fun bits. I guess, I don't know, it depends on who you are. If you just like the makeup, then you're probably gonna dip out right now. But now I'm gonna talk about some skincare. Now I'm going off of my notes on my phone, and I realized like I made a little thing for skincare, but there's really just one item in there. But this product is a well-loved product. You can see I have used all of this, okay? And this is from, out of all brands, out of all the money I've spent on skincare to help with my acne, this is from Gillette Venus. I picked this up at H-E-B. just because I was curious and I've never heard of a product like this before. But this is called the Facial Hair and Skincare Cleansing Primer. Now, this is actually part of a set that you can pick up. I mean, you have to buy them separately, but it's for dermaplaning your face at home. And I do shave my face. So I thought, okay, that sounds interesting. I'm going to give it a go. Now, it does work for shaving your face. I have used this 2 or 3 times for shaving my face. But what I really like about this product, I also use this before I put on all of my skincare as an extra cleansing step. Okay, so I'm now going to explain that the best I can. So right now, if I was going to wash my makeup off, I would go ahead and use one of my balm cleansers on my face, get all of this off. And then I would go ahead and use my face wash and I would wash my face. Then I would rinse all of the soap off. And then before I go in with my skincare, I would actually take this on a cotton pad and then rub that all over my face, let it dry, and then apply my skincare. So basically I would be triple cleansing. And that is what I've been using this product for, is that step before skincare, but after I wash my face. Now, it's not intended for that, but it seems to work that way. And the reason I started using it that way is because on the back, it does say, designed to be used alone or as a double cleanse. But the direction says, before hair removal, soak a pad with primer and apply all over face to cleanse and hydrate, preparing skin for smooth hair removal. Repeat until pad comes back clean. No need to rinse. That no need to rinse let me know that I could use this on my skin and then go straight into skincare. And that is what I've used it for. Now, this was only $15.50 at H-E-B, but I did go on Amazon and I believe it's like $14.87 on Amazon if you're interested in this product. So you can save like 13 cents by getting it from Amazon or go check out your grocery store. All right, next is hair care. Just like skincare, there's only one product. And I don't know how long this product existed, but it's a product that I found over the summer at H-E-B. And that is Not Your Mother's Overnight Clean Freak Dry Shampoo. I have a lot of hair, okay? I don't have hair extensions. This is all mine, okay? I use a lot of dry shampoo. And I only like to wash my hair like once a week. So go ahead and judge me. But washing my hair is a very, very long process. So I started trying this dry shampoo and using it as like an overnight dry shampoo. And it works fantastically for that. That would already make it a favorites product on its own. But the other reason why I love this so much is that I use this in my hair before I go to the gym. So recently I started doing a lot of yoga classes, and a lot of those yoga classes are heated. And after a heated yoga class, you're covered in sweat. Your hair gets dirtier much quicker when you're going to the gym every other day or every day. So before I work out, I put this in my hair, let it all go in there, and I kind of like overdo it. That way I know when I leave my class, my hair is not as oily because this was in my hair, soaking it all up while I was working out. That's what this product works great for as well. But that is why it is like my ultimate favorite, because it's a heavy duty dry shampoo and it works great for working out. Now, this was only $8.99. It's another product I picked up at H-E-B, but you can get it at Ulta for the exact same price. Now, the last 3 products I have is actually for the body, okay? I'm gonna start off with some fragrance. And the first fragrance is from Sol de Janeiro. So this is Sol de Janeiro's Bikini Season Perfume Mist. I'm pretty sure they mean body spray because that's what it is. Let's be honest here. But this is a $24 body mist that unfortunately you cannot pick up online. But if you go on Sephora.com, it says not available online, but you can find it in stores. So I'm guessing you could probably still pop into different Sephoras and find this product in stock if you would like it. I hate sharing a favorite that you can't buy anymore, but I also want to be honest. Now, I'm going to go off my phone, so I'm going to be looking down while I read this, okay? But the keynotes are guava nectar, sunlit orchid, and vanilla cloud. I didn't know cloud smelled like vanilla. But it's supposed to have a warm and spicy scent. And I'm the type of person that likes warm, spicy, musky scents. I like some florals, but I like borderline man smells, but then musky smells. I like the deeper scents. This is their description. A tropical fruity gourmand fragrance with succulent notes of guava nectar, sunlit orchid, and coconut water. To me, it smells how I imagine the perfect summer. I can definitely smell the coconuts, but it's like at the beach at night. I absolutely love this scent on its own, but I am also the type of person that likes to layer their scents. So I love this scent, but I also, and my other, and I think I've talked about this in the recommendations, but I love to pair it with this, which is my other favorite fragrance for the summer. And this is Gillette Has a Gun Sunny Side Up. Now, the mini of this, like the little rollerball fragrance size, is $30. And then the next size they have is just this one. And this one is $145. The way these two scents paired together were just perfect. I'm gonna go over, I suck at fragrance, okay? I suck. But I'm gonna go over the fragrance notes for this one as well. So the key notes are sandalwood, musk, jasmine, iris. This is also considered a warm and spicy scent, which is probably why these pair so well together. But it's a light woodsy musky scent, but with like a sprinkle of like floral in there. Man, I suck at fragrance, okay? I gotta practice that. I gotta write down better notes. I apologize, but if you ever get a chance to smell either of those in store, go for it. Last product is a self-tanner. This is from B.Tan and it's called Love at First Tan 1 Hour Self-Tan Mousse. I didn't realize this was a 1 hour self-tan mousse. I've been like putting it on and leaving it on all day. Don't know how it works for 1 hour, but that's how it works if you leave it on all day. I absolutely love this. This actually has a violet base, so it cancels out orange tones. So if you're scared to try a self-tanner and you don't want to be orange, this is a great one for you to try out and start with because it's not an orange, it's a bronzy self-tanner. This is $10.99 at H-E-B, but I went on Amazon and you can actually find it for $9.97. So if you're looking to save $1, go to Amazon. If not, it sounds like you could probably pick this up at your local grocery store. I used to spray tan all the time and it was getting to the point where my membership kept going up because, you know, the times that we're in. So things kept getting more expensive and even though the service never changed. So I was paying a little bit over $200 a month on my spray tan membership. It's a lot of money for spray tans, okay? So I went ahead and canceled my membership and went back to self-tanning myself. And I honestly believe that I get a better result with this than I was getting with my $200 membership for spray tans. So now I'm getting this, which I go through about one of these a month. So this is $10. I buy a mitt for $4.99 from Tanologist on Amazon, right? So now I'm getting better results than a spray tan for less than $20 a month when I was paying $200 a month. So finding this one and actually loving it more than a spray tan says a lot. So those are all of my summer favorites. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below what your favorite products were this summer. I would love to try out some new products and I would love to hear your recommendations. And also let me know if any of these products interest you. But until next time, bye y'all.